Now, we want to give you this chance. Can you all greet all of your fans here na nag-aantay kanina pa?
Yes, hello, maayong unto na ba? Or buntag or hapon?
Hapon na ba?
Hapon na di ay na-delay ang flight pero nakaabot jud ko today. So thank you so much everybody. And thank you for supporting Orochina Jewelry, of course. And karang nasa taas, hello! Ayan, thank you so much sa paghula. Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you so much. Now, Kim, alam naman natin, you are a true homegrown talent of Cebu, yes? Now, we want to ask you, what does it feel like to finally endorse a true Cebuano brand?
Yes, I'm very honored and I'm very happy of syempre support one another. So parang Orochina is also parang nagsimula talaga sila sa Cebu, and then they're also supporting me as well, and they entrusted me to endorse the brand na talaga namang ilang years na talaga dito sa industry. And then I'm very happy for the trust and for the support that they are giving me.
We are very happy for you to join us here as well, Kim. Now, Kim, a while ago, while we were warming up, ang dami nagsabi, fans na kami ni Kim Chiu simula pa ng PBB. Ang dami nagsabi, nag-text food pa sila para sa inyo, no? So right now, as a Filipino Chinese as well,
Yeah.
imagine kasi we also support Kim Chiu, especially the Cebuanos. Now, we've seen you grow from your teen edition days to your movies, and now you're a woman. Now, can you tell us, how does jewelry evolve in terms of your style from being a teen to now becoming a lady? How does Orochina help you complete your style?
Of course, Orochina, just like every jewelry, Orochina is timeless. And I must say, I'm also timeless.
Palakpakan niyo naman! Kim Chiu is timeless indeed. Now, for my final question to you, Kim, why do you think all Cebuanos, all Filipinos should wear Orochina jewelry?
Orochina, aside from every jewelry piece na makatag-iyang usa, it gives us confidence, and it's also a symbol of elegance once we wear a jewelry. Most especially Orochina jewelry dahil it's from Cebu, and it's really made with love and passion.
Thank you so much. Confidence and elegance. Thank you so much. Now, to the moment we've all been waiting for our ribbon cutting ceremony. So right now, joining Kim for the symbolic moment. We want to invite here in front our amazing pillars of Orochina jewelry. Now, to all the fans of Kim Chiu, please move to the back. Because right now, we want to welcome here in front the founder of Orochina jewelry, Miss Lucita T. Our chief